Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an EMF ghost detector app. First, understand that these applications leverage your smartphone's built-in magnetometer to sense electromagnetic field fluctuations. They are designed to provide an engaging experience, often displaying data visually with graphs or numerical values. Remember, their primary purpose is for entertainment, offering a fun way to explore potential energy changes around you. To begin, download a reputable EMF detector app from your App Store. Once installed, ensure your device's magnetometer is active and functioning correctly. Many apps require a quick calibration. Simply move your phone in a figure-8 pattern for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then, find a quiet, electronics-free space to establish a baseline reading, which helps you identify significant changes later on. When interpreting the readings, look for sudden, noticeable spikes or sustained high values on the app's display. A normal background reading in most environments typically falls between 0 and 5 milligauss. However, readings consistently in the range of 20 to 50 milligauss or higher could indicate a significant electromagnetic field fluctuation. Always consider both the visual graphs and the numerical data for a comprehensive understanding. For the best experience, move slowly and methodically through your chosen location, allowing the app time to register changes. Try to minimize interference by turning off or moving away from common electronic devices. Always document your findings, noting the exact time, location, and specific readings you observe. Finally, consider using the app in conjunction with other paranormal investigation tools for a more holistic approach to your exploration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.